Hi guys, Lenka!
Max,
New video!
today about sugar.
So this is the list of the sugar alternatives that are healthy and good for your skin based on my experience. The links to these products are down below in the description box.
Hey, give me a second. That's not about sugar?
No, it's about sugar alternatives.
Okay, I'm going away.
No, wait, I need your help.
Can I keep my sugar?
Yes, of course, you can keep your sugar and I'll keep my sugar alternatives.
Xylitol is a sugar alcohol, a natural substance that can be found in various fruits and vegetables. It is widely present in birch trees, rice, oat and wheat, but the main source of xylitol for commercial use is corn cobs. After extraction and processing, it looks almost like sugar, has the same sweetness and taste.
So it's completely the same?
No, xylitol has a low glycemic index, so it has a low effect on blood sugar. Like everything else, it should be used in moderate amounts. Overuse can cause laxative problems.
And that's not good.
So what are the advantages? No aftertaste, low glycemic index, and increased absorption of calcium. A safe amount to consume is between 10 and 30 grams per day.
How many teaspoons is that?
1 teaspoon is about 5 grams. It's important to note that xylitol is highly toxic for dogs, so it's recommended to store it out of the reach of dogs. The next one is erythritol.
It sounds weird.
Yes, it does a bit, but erythritol together with xylitol is my favorite sugar substitute. It's less sweet than xylitol, but it doesn't affect blood sugar. Sugar alcohols are not digested by the body, and that's why it's good if you are concerned about your weight. Erythritol is an excellent sugar alternative with no side effects if it's consumed in moderate amounts. The advantages of erythritol are no aftertaste, it acts as an antioxidant, it has almost no calories. A safe amount to consume is 1 gram for every kilogram of weight per day.
Sorry for interrupting, but if you want to make us happy, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel.
It doesn't cost you anything and it helps us grow the channel. Next on the list is stevia. Stevia is a South American plant that is naturally sweet without calories. It is about 200 times sweeter than table sugar. Stevia is natural and recommended by many experts, but I don't like the taste of it. I added it to my list because everyone's taste is different, so you might like it. Let me know in the comments if you like it or not. Here are the advantages. Strong sweetness, so you only need a small amount, and no calories. A safe amount to consume is 4 milligrams for every kilogram of body weight per day.
And the last but one?
Sucralose. It's a sugar substitute that is produced by chlorination of sucrose. It is 600 times sweeter than sugar but has 0 calories. The taste is similar to sugar. Sucralose is contained in my morning protein shake. The advantages are no aftertaste and it's stable at different pH, so you can add it to vinegar or lemon. A safe amount to consume is 5 milligrams per kilogram body weight per day. Sucralose is quite a controversial sweetener.
Is it?
Yes, some experts suggest that sucralose is linked with weight gain, but others say that it's a safe alternative. I have never had any problems with it, and I like the taste as well. I prefer xylitol and erythritol to sucralose, but if I had to choose between sugar and sucralose, I'd choose sucralose.
I keep my sugar.
I told you twice you can.
And the last one is...
Monk fruit. Monk fruit contains 0 calories just like stevia and is about 200 times sweeter than sugar. It is rich in antioxidants, so it seems like a good option. However, it has a special flavor and aftertaste, which might disturb some people. The advantages are anti-inflammatory properties, 0 calories, and not known side effects. There are many more sweeteners, and some of them are not considered safe. I wouldn't recommend using saccharin, aspartame or acesulfame, as well as many other artificial sweeteners. So these are the best sugar substitutes to consume in small amounts if you prepare a homemade ice cream, protein shakes, iced coffee or anything you want to replace sugar or cut down on calories. But the most important thing is they prevent your skin from losing more collagen.
So, what is your favorite sugar alternative?
Or are you a sugar lover like Max? Tell us in the comments.